Are you worried that someone is spying on you? Well, fear no more, because now you can know for sure with this easy to use and lightweight bug detector. From AsianWolf.com, model number SS-13. The model S-13 detector will detect hidden wireless cameras and audio bugs, transmitting or live cell phones, Wi-Fi or any other wireless transmitters operating in the 1 MHz to 6 GHz range. The detector also has a built-in speaker and built-in LED display array that lets you know as you get closer and closer to the hidden wireless bug or as you get farther away. In this example, we are testing the bug detector with one of our wireless pinhole spy cameras. When using the detector, just scan back and forth or up and down in a slow moving pattern. As the signal gets stronger, you're getting closer to the bug. As it gets weaker, you're getting farther away. The bug detection distance is a maximum of 32 feet or 10 meters. The bug detector comes loaded with features such as earphones, a low battery indicator, sensitivity adjustments, and 2 operational modes, alarm or vibration. The unit operates on 2 AAA batteries that are not included. The unit is so small it fits into your pocket, purse, or briefcase waiting for your next adventure. Perfect for homes, businesses, offices, bedrooms, bathrooms, shower rooms, locker rooms, business travelers, students, or anybody who doesn't want to be watched. For more interesting items such as new gadgets or new arrivals, please visit our website at www.asianwolf.com.